Fast FS Builder tool is an Excel sheet utility which helps in preparation of financial statements in new format. For preparing financial statements through this tool, the users are required to select nature and sub-nature of each trial balance item from drop-down menu given in the sheet named as trial balance. The drop-down menu contains all the items which have been mentioned in the prescribed new formats of financial statements. In such a situation, some users may feel that many items contained in drop-down menu may not be useful at all considering their office requirements. Such users can customize drop-down menu items considering their specific requirements. This facility has been given in column AK of the sheet named as trial balance. In column AK, list of standard drop-down menu items has been given with option to select yes or no against each item. The users may select no option against the items which they do not want to appear in drop-down menu while selecting nature and sub-nature of trial balance items. For example, here in item owner's current account is appearing in drop-down menu. For some users, this item may not be relevant considering nature of work in their office. In such case, no option may be selected in column AK against item owner's current account. Now press update button. Thereafter, we can see that owner's current account item has got disappeared from standard drop-down menu. However, the items which have been disabled can be again re-enabled by putting yes against them in column AK as and when the same is required. Here we are putting again yes against the item owner's current account. Now it is seen that owner's current account item has been re-enabled in the drop-down menu. This facility is useful because in standard prescribed new formats, there are many items which may not be useful for many users considering nature of work in their offices. This customization facility will make the preparation of financial statements more fast, more simple, less time consuming and more error free. For any query or problem, kindly contact fast.fs.builder.contact@gmail.com. Thank you.